Hello, just to give a quick update about the 3D printer enclosure for the Thanos4U RJ45 edition. I designed it all compact and ready to be released on Thingiverse. I printed in white so I can have a reflection of the LEDs. So it's easier to see them all. And also made 3D printed cover for the RJ45 connector. That's the adapter. Okay, so let me connect it here first. Okay, and then this connects on the Thanos4U board. Alright. That's it.